spotted deer appear nearby. The cub decides to try his luck. His stalking technique has greatly improved. Now he's acting like a pro. He uses a tree trunk as cover. He places his paws with great care to avoid making even the slightest rustle. Now his success will depend on his timing. Close, but missed again. Nevertheless, this is real progress. The family has moved into the shade, but there's very little space. By the time the cub returns, there's no place for him. His mother makes it clear that he's not welcome. She's starting to lose patience with her grown-up family. The cubs are also far less tolerant of one another. Even their games now have an aggressive edge. It seems they want to play, but are nervous as to what might happen. Again, it's the females who show the most aggression. The squabbling continues as one female tries to settle down for a rest. Eventually, this rivalry will force them apart. Mother is equally hostile. She's beginning the process of making her cubs less dependent on her. So the female cub has to find a spot of her own. She's not alone for long. Her brothers are still ready to show affection. It's a peaceful interlude, but an increasingly rare one.